just moving some money around. And yeah, I guess a lot has actually happened in this last week, but yeah, I need to look at basically everything again, so we'll do that in this video. Sorry. This is the first video I'm making with my new eyes. My eyes still aren't perfect, but at close range, it kind of hurts, so looking at the computer, I'm probably not going to do too long. But this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, let's see. I mean, yeah, if I hit 40,000, 42,000 is insane. I do wish I had some, but I didn't, so I missed out on that train, but man, it really moved up. And I remember back here, some people were, hopefully they didn't sell it in this big, not big sell-off, but kind of sell-off, and then boom, it just rips so high, so fast. I don't remember the last time I discussed Bitcoin, but I'm sorry if there's a little sound in the background. That's my heater going off. I guess it's super cold, but yeah, Bitcoin really high. Again, just watching, not really touching or trading it. Gold, man, we are doing so good. Gold is breaking out. Not super high volume though, but wow, it got hit really hard, and this scared me. I did check my account like one of these days. I was like, how is gold down 3%? I don't actually know what happened that day. But it's unfortunate. But we are getting a lot of buying around here. You can see all these buying wicks. So I'm almost seeing this as like a blessing that I think we had a move now down here. I just start buying some more stuff, but I can't really buy anymore. So like I have no more money to add to these things. Yeah, if we get a retest down here and it breaks, I'm gonna be very sad. And I will have to rethink my strategy. I'm already starting to rethink it because this should have broken out, right? And went up here, and if anything, retested one of these lines, even here, down here, I don't know. Just very strange behavior on gold, and I'm not, I'm being patient, but I don't want to be overconfident and not look at the data, and this is a big spilla. I don't like that, but long term, nothing changed in my point of view. If anything, I got reassured with Biden being elected and civil unrest and stuff. We could take a look at silver. Silver did the same thing. It fell, but it actually kind of caught this trend line right here, you see. So, a big selling volume though here, big selling volume here. I don't know. Same thing though. I'm just chilling, hanging in there. Let's look at the SPY. I haven't looked at this in a while. Nothing to see, just going up. Same thing. Okay, let's see. I cut off a bunch of shares, maybe half my position in X or AG. I wanted MAG. MAG, in my opinion, is a better company, better management. So I sold some and I added some to here. Man, we were up so much in this. Average was like 15.30, so we're up like 30%. We were up like 50% at one point, but I needed to be a bigger position, so I'm thankful that I'm getting these lower levels. If we get down to here to be spicy, I don't think we are though. But if we do, I'm gonna add there. I'm slowly just gonna take shares off of here and move it to MAG. I just don't want this company. I don't like what the CEO did back here. Diluting the shares when silver is at a high price doesn't make any sense to me. Or I mean, it makes sense, but I don't like his decision. EMX, let's see, KL. Yeah, KL is still in this bad channel. This is my biggest position. I need this thing to move up eventually, but just give it some room to work. I don't know, it's taking a little while. I don't know why, but yeah. NEM, same thing. So this company I had, Nova Royalty Corp, they actually switched their company or shares, whatever, to this NOVRF. And look at this today, it went all the way up. It was up to $6, a 50% move. I don't know what happened there. But yeah, this thing, it just kept going up, and I added some shares. I don't have a lot, to be honest, still, but man, this thing has moved, like a couple 100%. Let's go back to here. Like 100% now, it's like at 3, it was at 6, I don't know. It's just going out of control. It is a penny stock. It's a, small royalty, copper, nickel kind of $2.50 is my average cost about, like through here. 50%, yeah, pretty crazy. Pepsi's gonna fill off. SM, I just took half my position off now. I was at 420, I think. So we had 100. Wait, there's no way that was that. It was 490. Yeah, so just under $5. So yeah, wow, was that actually 100% move? I guess so. Very small position though. I mean, like, didn't make that much money, but still made money. I took some off today. Or not 100% move. I guess we had like a 70. Or is it 70? $5. Yeah, like 70, 80% move. Crazy. I wish I had more shares, but I don't. Buying a company when it's already up 200%. So from earnings, right? It moved about 500%. I think this is gonna go down. I'm still hanging on to some shares because, I just think it'll come down. I think it's more probable it does. When it does, I want to catch some on these lower levels. Still, we have until February 17th for earnings, so we still have a little ways, But yeah, just want to lock in some profit. I think this thing goes much higher long term, but again, in the short term, I want to take some profits. I don't want to get greedy, and I want to be realistic. I still have my shares of Smith & Wesson brands, I'm at 16 of 26, right there about. We had that huge, it could have made 45% about, but realistically maybe like 30, 40. Then it fell all the way back down to here. I should have probably added here, but again, it was not on my computer. Just hung on because I just thought it would go back up to here. As we're approaching these levels, I think I'm going to take off about half the position. But yeah, I think we go higher from here. Not much higher, to be on $25 maybe. I don't know. Why is this line back here? I don't know. Anyway, I think we have a little more room to go. I think long term, my views on the economy, the environment, I think a company like Smith & Wesson brands would be beneficial, but I'm not gonna say no to a 50% gain in just like 2-3 weeks. But yeah, made a good amount of money so far. Didn't lock it in the profit, so gotta be careful, not to be dumb. ExxonMobil, man, this is a great trade. We're at 38 was the average price. 38.60. We're up about 30% with like a 9% yield in the dividend. Yeah, I was down. I think it was like at one point, yeah, like 20%. And I was like, I gotta either add or dit this out. So we added. Me and my friend added too. We talked about it. Boom. We got this huge up run. A little bit of a fade. I don't think I actually. Let me see if I can get the trades on. This is a long term. Again, why is that not working? This is a very long term trade though, for me. 2 to 3, probably 3 to 5 years, probably at least 3 years, let's say. The trades are not on, but they should be. You guys see it. I think I added a little more shares right here, or maybe even here. Maybe like this day, but it doesn't matter. Longer term, $60 maybe. I don't know. I mean, in the very near term, yeah, this is probably gonna pull back to some level though. We already had that huge 17% run up, pull back. Probably not gonna add though. I like where my position is. It's fine. Yeah, great decision so far. Didn't lock in the profit, but I think good decision so far. Things I'm watching, AMC. We watched. Take that off. I thought that was gonna bounce a little harder. CCJ Uranium Company. I wanted to see lower prices, but seems to not want to fall. Digital Realty DLR. I like this company. I like the environment they're in. And I don't like the company. I like the space that they are working in. This company has so much debt. Don't make too much money, but I think in the future we're going to be needing companies like this. So I need to do some more analysis on companies similar to this, but I don't think this is the one. JDX, a lot of lines. It didn't catch that. That's not that good. Didn't catch that trend line, kind of. It did that day, but now it's on the down. Oh, it seems weird. I gotta be careful here. I got a huge percentage of my portfolio in these mining companies, and this looks like it's going down. To be honest, got the this candle. Boom, boom, down on this. Gotta be careful here. I don't know. It's gotta hold this. Let's see something else. Wow, yeah. We might get that retest. Down 10%. This line looks very important. I hope that's not the case. That would be a very wise place to retest. Just saying. Gotta be careful here, JDX. The ETF NEO broke out. I'm very surprised here. Very surprised. NXC. I don't think I need to watch this. SPY. No, Tesla. Tesla still blows my mind. I can't believe it's still going up. Since earnings too. It's up almost 100%. Crazy. UBA, I kind of wish I bought down here when I said I would be up like 10% now, but also we'd have like an 8% yield or something like that. But shoulda, coulda, woulda. Workhorse. Yeah. I think if Workhorse gets back down to here, I want to trade it for a little bounce. I think if it gets down to 14, yeah, I would love to, but I don't know if it will. But yeah, this seems like to be a new, very strong support. We gotta go back to this time frame. This looks better. See all that buying right here. But here, it kind of seems like a good zone too. I don't know. Let's see. What's moving today? Snapchat is not moving. Surprised I went up. Best Buy. A BlackBerry. Oh wow. Space. I completely wow. TSM moves so much. Jeez. So weird. I think I traded this back here. Maybe. I don't even remember. Jeez. Wait a minute. What the heck? Wait, that's wild. I was looking at it back here. Wow. That guy. Some guy on my channel. Sometimes he comments. His name's Covert or something. Covert Analysis. Yeah, I know he had TSM back down in like the 50s or 60s. That's crazy. That's 100% your return. Hopefully he still has the shares more than that almost. Jeez. That's wild. And they're increasing their dividend really rapidly. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. Up about 12% today. Bob had that big dip, but now it kind of looks like they come a little bit back. Bath and Body Works. Moving. Big Lots. A lot of stuff's moving. Let me check something. Where's my Might Invest? Simon Property Group, my friend has this. He's in at like the 60s or 70s, so he's up about like 30%. Wild. Man, a lot of things are moving. Oh no, what I do. In short, I feel like most things are going to just keep moving up and up, you know, especially with Biden being the president. They're looking to start a couple $1 trillion more. Crazy, I know. Once he becomes president, a couple $1 trillion more into the economy. I don't know. I losing faith, I guess is the better word. I just don't see how a system can be built upon that. That's why we have these trades, you know, the gold trades, because it's even Bitcoin. Just these, you gotta have these, just in case. I don't know, but yeah, these big tech companies probably can do good. I know Twitter had a lot of beef going on. Yeah. I don't know. I don't like the CEO Jack Dorsey's a scrub, in my opinion. Not gonna talk about that too much though. Yeah, FCX. Where'd it go? I just saw it. FCX. This thing, man, we're still looking at this around here, but this thing just kept going up. Oh my gosh, like 100% since this. Freeport McMoran FCX. Crazy. That like 15-year, 20-year chart. Yeah, wild. A lot of good decisions I could have made, but I think looking back, I definitely should have diversified more, not all into gold, silver. You know, I should have had some steel, like I wanted. I should have had more oil, and I should have had a little bit of tech regardless of what I thought about it at the time. Or I guess even more copper. No, copper, tech I never really had an interest in, but I definitely should have had tech. Just because, not tech, sorry. I should have had copper. Because I knew it was cheap. It was like $1.50. What's copper futures doing? And natural gas, oil, gold. Do I have the copper futures even on here? Platinum, copper, yeah. You can't even see it on this chart. Let's go even to more 5-year. Let's go weekly, 5-year weekly. Here's the dip in March crash. It's like $1. Oh, I thought it hit $1. Yeah, it did hit $2 or $1.90. Man, it moved a lot since then. So I feel like it was cheap. I didn't make the decision. I don't know why. But I guess I could have went even lower, you know. But just how it goes, you know. This looks like a pretty historical level for copper. $4 doesn't want to go above $4. Interesting. Alright. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna kind of wrap up the video. My eyes and head are starting to hurt a little bit, but hopefully you enjoyed this little discussion. I'll make more videos. We got a lot more subscribers this last week. I think 25, 30 people subscribed. I was like, wow. And videos have been getting a good amount of views too, so get pretty happy about that. I'm thankful that you guys watched and listened to the video. Hopefully, you know, let me know if you're looking at any stocks below. Maybe I'll take a look at them. I know soon I'm going to look more into the investment side, not necessarily trading. I want to look at some, you know, physical numbers and I guess invest in a business that I really think, I mean, Disney is a business that I love. I don't know if this valuation is good, but I think, you know, I think 10 years out this company's going to be insane, so I'm not going to be picky about the price, but we can, you know, crunch the numbers and try to figure something out. But yeah, I'm going to be working more next week, so I'll still be looking at the charts and stuff, but not going to make as many videos. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll talk to you probably Sunday. Maybe we'll do a little video. I'll look over the weekend on some more stocks and stuff, and then we'll talk about it. So, yep, talk to you guys soon. I'll see you.